In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delegate your contacts in Google Workspace. This is a really useful feature if you want to share your contact information with a colleague or assistant, allowing them to manage and update it on your behalf without the need to share passwords or compromise privacy. We'll guide you through this process step by step, ensuring that you have the knowledge to empower others in your workspace while keeping your contact information secure and accessible. To start, you'll need to be logged into your Google Workspace account. Once you've done that, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub with access to a variety of Google tools. From here, locate and click on the Google Apps menu. You'll find this button often represented by a small grid icon, typically in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with all your available applications. Now, the next step is to find your contacts. This can sometimes require scrolling through your list of apps, but once you spot it, go ahead and click on Contacts. This will bring up your Google Contact interface, which is where you manage the lists and details of people you communicate with through Google. Once you're in the Contacts section, look for the gear icon, usually situated at the upper right corner of the screen, near where you found the Apps menu. Clicking on the gear icon opens up your settings. In the Settings menu, you'll want to look for the option that says Delegate Access. It's worth noting that not all settings will be relevant here, so don't get distracted. Just focus on finding the delegation part. After you select Delegate Access, you'll see a field labeled Add People. Here, you can enter the email address of the individual to whom you want to delegate your contacts. Make sure you type the address carefully to avoid any mistakes. Once you've entered the correct email, double-check it, and when you're ready, hit the Send button. This will send an invitation to that individual, granting them access to your contacts. They'll receive an email prompting them to accept the invitation. And that's it. You've successfully delegated your contacts in Google Workspace. If your colleague or assistant accepts, they'll now have the ability to manage contacts on your behalf while you maintain control and privacy over your account. With this delegation handled, collaboration becomes much simpler, and you can focus more on your tasks. Knowing someone else can help keep your contacts organized and up to date. Thank you for watching today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.